Welcome to our channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Hope you liked the previous video. Thank you so much for that. Now, let's start a new video in the name of this holy person who is alone, has no partner. It is said that beauty is an expansive and subjective concept that transcends mere physical appearance to encompass a variety of elements including aesthetics, emotional connection, and personal values. Whenever we talk about beauty, the first thing that comes before us is the beauty of nature. And the beauty of nature is endless. As we know, people try hard to stay beautiful. Therefore, first choose a good beauty salon. Then they turn to medicines. But when all these effects wear off, these people turn to injections treatment. All these not only damage their skin, but also make them suffer from skin diseases. So we should avoid all of them. So let us also try to achieve the same beauty naturally. And to get this beauty, you will need to support us. Bleaching is a process that not only makes you fairer, but also damages your complexion. So let's prepare such a bleach today which is naturally formed. By using it, not only your color will be white, but your skin will also be clean and natural. Let's start. Ingredient: 1. Half cucumber. 2. 1 teaspoon glycerin. 3. 1 teaspoon rose water. Extract the cucumber juice. Then add rose extract and glycerin in one. Applying this paste daily at night will make your skin white. Nice to share this little information with you. I hope you will like it, and you will encourage me. If you want us to share this kind of home beauty remedies with you, then like, follow, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel Zaib Home and Beauty. Take good care of yourself and remember us in your prayers. Thank you so much.